Hello everyone. So this is sales management app we are currently building for a business. So the essence of the app is to enable the business to record their revenue, their payments, their pending payments, their customers, and their sales. Okay, so as you can see for the dashboard here, you can see some of the metrics here that the app is tracking. You can also see some analytics that is measuring the business performance. You can also see some recent transactions and all. So please note that all these data are all fictional data. These are all data we use for the purpose of this video. Okay. So let's head over to the sales section. So in the sales section here, this is where you can record your sales. So you can actually record this. You just click on new sale. Then now maybe you can add an item here. Then you can also alter the status of the payment, whether it's paid or partial or overdue. So once you record it here, the detail will appear here. Okay. So what we want to do is that we want to add a date filter here so that the business can actually filter the sales based on the date. So let's head over to the customer. All right. So this is the customer section. So here you can add your customer. Just fill out the customer's details and add your customer. Okay, so let's head over to the invoice section. So this way you can create an invoice for your customer. So if you can create an invoice, just click on create invoice. Then you now select the customer you want to create an invoice for. Then once you select it, the email and the phone number will autofill. Then you now fill out this information and create an invoice. So once you create an invoice, you should be able to download the invoice here. So you are here to add that feature. As I said earlier, the app is in development. Okay, so you are here to add the download feature where you can download the invoice as a PDF. Okay, so this is the receipt section where you can generate a receipt. Okay, so we are here to add receipt section here. So we are here to add that as well. Okay, so our team is still developing the app, but I'm just showing what you've done so far. So this is the payment section where you can record payments. So you just click on record payment here. You add the amount, the method, then you just choose the cell relating to that payment, and then fill out the details. Okay, so if you need something like this for your business, just get in touch with us. I'll do something very amazing for you. So this is the user section. This is where you can actually add your staff members. So this is where you can add your staff members. Click on add user. So you can actually select the permissions where you want them to access. Okay. So once you select that, you can add your user. Okay. So